Archana D'Cruz, Bipasha Basu, Arjun Rampal, Neha Dhupia, Manish Malhotra, Vidyut Jamwal, Abhishek Kapoor, Valusha D'Souza, Parvati Omnakutan, Dipanita Sharma and other celebrities were present during Miss India Grand Finale Red Carpet held at the Yash Raj Studios.
मिस इंडिया का कॉन्टेस्ट है, सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टेस्ट है महिलाओं के लिए कंपटीशन के हिसाब से, तो उम्मीद यही करता हूँ कि बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त मुकाबला होगा.
I think it's about world representation of the country. So definitely a very bright young lady with a great personality, and the looks have to equally match. I think that's going to be a dynamic quality that we are going to be looking forward to for tonight. And I've heard all the girls are extraordinary. So it's going to be a tough judging process for all of us tonight.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है बहुत साल बाद या पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि 30 स्टेट से लड़कियाँ आई हैं, हर छोटे से बड़े स्टेट से आई हैं. So it's quite exciting to see the confidence and to see how amazing they are.
It's very hard to choose. I think all of them are equally unique and beautiful in their own way, and I think all of them are special. So I think it's going to be that little X factor for me, and it's a perfect mix of being quintessential Indian woman and being sensible and smart and graceful. And I think I'll probably just know when I see her.
This time with the history of Miss India tonight, the crowning round is going to be in Indian clothes, and it's the first time they're going to be my clothes. And I thought that it's called Miss India, and the clothes should be Indian because Indian clothes are becoming extremely glamorous. They're traditional yet very modern, and I think we should see a lot more Indian wear on the red carpet or at pageants, and especially when they're being crowned. And Times of India loved the idea. So today's going to be a very different Miss India because the last round is going to have all the girls, 30 contestants coming in really glamorous Indian wear.
I'm looking forward to a great evening. I'm looking forward to the fact that the best girls should win. We're all here in capacity of being mentors tonight. So I think, I have a little bit of a bias towards the girls from the North Zone. But having said that, I've seen all of them. They're all beautiful. They're all extremely talented in their own way, extremely well-read, well-educated, have great presence. So may the best girl win.
Super duper excited, especially for my girls from the South, and it just feels like life's come a full circle from being a contestant, a winner at Miss India, to being a mentor. So I'm really, really, really excited, and I'm wishing all the very best to all the girls, and the best one will win.
Out of the 30 state participants, Priyanka Kumari from Bihar, Manushi Chillar from Haryana, Sana Dua from Jammu and Kashmir won the Miss India Grand Finale 2017, with Manusha Chillar winning the coveted crown and title of Femina Miss India 2017, and Sana Dua and Priyanka Kumari winning the first and second runner-up consecutively. Stephanie Deval, Miss World 2016, was present to do the crowning ceremony, as the winners will now go for further competition at Miss Universe. It was indeed a star-studded affair despite the heavy rains, and the three gorgeous ladies looked ever so beautiful in their crowns.